Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to install Linux on your device. Firstly, plug your bootable Linux the USB into the laptop. Power on your laptop, and if it doesn't boot from USB, reboot and press the boot menu key on your device. Select the USB drive as the boot device. When prompted, select Try or Install Linux and hit Enter. Select the language for installation, then click Continue. Now, enable features like screen readers or magnifiers if needed, then click Next. Linux usually detects the keyboard layout automatically. If not, manually select it, then click Continue. Select your wireless network and enter your Wi-Fi password, then click Continue. Choose Install Linux to begin the installation. Click Continue. Select Normal Installation, then click Next. Choose Essential Selection and Extended Selection, then click Next. Check both boxes to install third-party drivers and enable multimedia support, then click Next. Leave the default disk setup and selected unless you know how to partition manually, then click Next. Now enter name, username, computer name, password, and click Next. Enter your location, then click Next. Review your selections, click Install to begin, and wait for installation to complete. Once the installation is complete, click Restart Now, remove the USB drive from when prompted, and your system will boot into Linux. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.